1965 Chevrolet C10 Shortbox Stepside here at Unique Specialty and Classics. And listen to this, underneath the hood, 5.3 liter, more modern V8. So that's paired up with a 700 R4, so automatic with overdrive transmission. Besides, nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, kind of this medium blue, reminds me somewhat of a grabber blue. Let's take a look at the chrome on the front bumper, grille, headlight surrounds. Of course, the 65 with the blinker marker lights in the hood. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. You'll see the box. And those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link underneath the description. I should say down in the description, there'll be a link. And that'll take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. A little bit of a chip on the hood there, nothing major. And take a look at the polished wheels. Goodyear radial tires. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. Restoration work on this truck done approximately 12 years ago. Engine was recently gone through. Throttle body was cleaned. The valve cover gaskets replaced, as well as the intake manifold gasket. And you can see no major nicks, dings, or scratches. A little imperfection down here at the bottom of that front fender. Overall paint show as well. Be a nice truck for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. There's a full-size spare in the back, whether you choose to keep it there or not. It's up to the next owner. It's kind of on a protective pad. Fuel cell fill in the rear. Take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper, also in nice shape. Dual exhaust. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. A couple notes from the technician on this one. Aftermarket stereo on the truck works, does have a digital dash installed. He noted the fuel and temp gauges were in op. Brakes are disc in the front, drums in the rear, and they're 80% front and back both. Brake straight, and the wheel cylinders are dry. Let's take a look down this driver's side. Again, you can see no major nicks, dings, or scratches. If you like these mid-60s trucks, or maybe just Chevrolet trucks in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. Let's take a look at this interior. We have a bench seat. Fabric, as you can see. Black seat, blue carpet, blue floor mat, or black floor mat, excuse me. Door panel looks good. Could use a window crank installed on this side. There is a controller, Phi-Tech controller on the floor. I'll leave hooked up. I just kind of zip tied the cords up. We're going to let it sit down there where it's out of the way. Let's go ahead and turn. Key on, you hear electric fuel pump. Of course, fuel injected, so you don't pump it or anything. Just turn the key and let her go. Top of the dash, there's that aftermarket stereo. Again, automatic on the floor. 700 R4, automatic with overdrive. So no rips, tears, holes in the seats that I've noticed. Visors are there. How does it sound? Sounds like it's got a little rumble to it. Let's slip up to the front, take a peek underneath the hood, and then, like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive. 5.3 liter V8. Let's check it out. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. And how about engine bay? '65 Chevrolet C10, regular cab, short box Stepside. Number to call 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pics, and yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1965 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck. A nice light blue with a little bit more modern engine under the hood, providing some power. Digital gauges on the dash. This is a automatic with a long shifter on the floor. The radio in the dash does work for FM. I have not tested CD. However, the volume knob is a bit touchy. Now our gauges, the miles per hour appears to be working. The tachometer appears to be working. Our trip and our odometer also working. The volts are showing 13.9, but the water temperature, the oil pressure, and the fuel are reading zeros. Nice blue paint on this truck, blue carpet on the floor. It looks like a later model style cloth on the bench seat. There are a couple rock chips in the windshield and a scrape from the wiper, but the truck is a good runner. It feels nice on the road. The blower motor works, the wipers work. Nice, soft, smooth ride on the road. Brakes also work as they should. Power brakes. Easy to press, easy to stop. Reliable fuel injection from Phytech. We also have a screen where you can view all the stats of the engine performance. That is right here. 1965 Chevrolet C10 with a few customizations. Check out all the pictures of this truck at uniqueclassiccars.com.